Welcome to this Unity Quick Guide. In this video, we will be covering department routing. Routing by department allows customers to select from a list of departments when initiating a web chat. This ensures contact always goes to the place it is supposed to. Before starting, please note that you are required to have already created a web chat and/or callback media stream to enable routing by department. For more information on how to build these media streams, along with detailed video tutorials, please see the Unity Quick Guides on building web chat and callback media streams. In this example, we will be using a pre-existing web chat media stream entitled AB Sales Web Chat. To begin, start on the portal dashboard for your required media stream. From this page, navigate to the button titled Routing at the top of the screen. This will take you to the page where you can review all active routing phases assigned to your media stream. Whilst on this page, it is important to take note whether or not the option at the top of the screen, entitled Use Departments to Route Conversations and Callbacks, is enabled or not. This is because enabling this option will enable each assigned routing phase to act as a department, with the names of each phase being the department options presented to customers when they interact with a web chat or callback. To demonstrate this, we will first leave this option set to off. As a result, when we initiate a web chat, we can see that there is no option to choose a department. However, once we enable this option, we can see that the web chat now displays a section for departments. This is because enabling this option allows for each assigned routing phase to act as a department. Furthermore, the names of each routing phase will be used as the names of the departments selectable by customers. For example, if we leave this option enabled and create a new routing phase titled Marketing, we can then see that Marketing has been added to the list of selectable departments when interacting with a web chat. Thank you for watching this Unity Quick Guide. For more information and contact center tutorials, a full Unity Quick Guide series is available.